Nursery cartoon love journey with Hoorah.
In a quiet nook where the wildflowers sway, lived 5 little ducks in a sunbeam's play, with feathers like sunshine and hearts full of cheer. They waddled through meadows, their laughter sincere. The first was named Dilly, with a quack oh so bright. She led all her siblings from morning till night, with each gentle ripple upon the pond's face. She danced in the water with splashes of grace. Then came dear Mabel with patches of gray. Her wisdom was ancient, she'd guide them each day. Stay close to your family, she'd softly implore, for bonds made in love are what life has in store. Next was young Benny, his dreams flew like kites. He'd dream of adventures beneath starlit nights. Let's wander beyond, he would shout with delight. But Mabel just chuckled and held him uptight. Fourth was sweet Lily, her heart filled with song. In fields full of daisies where she felt she belonged, she'd serenade shadows as dust turned to gold. Her melodies whispered sweet stories untold. Last came brave Oliver, a daring young duck, his spirit ignited by fortune and luck. He'd leap over puddles and glide through the air, chasing down dreams without any care. Yet one fateful morn, when the sky turned to gray, a storm brewed above that would sweep them away. As winds howled around them and raindrops fell fast, the ducks huddled close, would this be their last? But together they stood against tempestuous wrath. Their bond formed a shelter, they forged a new path, with quacks that were soothing amidst thunder.